Farouk's house. I hope there's food.
This doesn't look weird.
As long as there's food there.
Looks right. Huh?
But when I speed list.
It's speed not the whole. So done what's planning? Is it
Guys, what's up y'all? So today we're saying
Centurion Lodia.
Centurion what?
Yeah.
Labels dance what? Dance battle. Starts at 4 p.m. I'm gonna be there too though. But starts at 4. So pull up. Pull up.
I wanna come.
Do you know the exact thing?
What location?
Mm.
Yeah. It's Lodium, guys. Lodium.
That's the exact
Himalaya.
location.
Lodium Himalaya.
460 Himalaya.
460 Himalaya.
He what?
Looking like you're about to bash someone, bro. That's my thing. The matter of what hey man. Thanks for sniffer how we are saying. Same matter to see you oh.
Yeah, so but Tash wants to go to the but it's fine.
But that means we're gonna have to stay there until.
But I don't want to stay there until.
That's the thing.
You're going to stay there too.
But you are going to stay
Until
there.
Mike is done DJing.
Yeah, and he finishes at 4.
Why is this filter so?
Around 8 at night.
Because
You
for
guys
one
wanna be
person,
at House of
Tabby.
Ribs from now? At least the buffet eating time from now until 8 p.m.
I love food, but I'm not to that
I
extent.
wasn't asking, I'm telling you.
Go ask Mike.
You have to be there until night is done.
Why are you sending me?
Who's going to
Because
be
you
there?
wanna do me,
All of
I can
us.
stay. I'm already used to planning there. At House of Ribs.
Max says he's an ambassador here, right?
Yeah, they used to be.
Dumelang. Dumelang. I need to go fix my lashes.
You guys are
When are you
beautiful.
getting
Thank you.
When are you getting when are you getting ready? I don't know.
I get your house over twice.
Give me some more. Give me some more.
No, this thing starts at 2,
Go
bro.
ask the
Get ready, get 11:30.
Tash. Ubani.
Yeah.
Mtabi.
Ha. Ay, mina ngakubulala mfana.
Mtabi. Hamba ukuzwa ukuthi.
Wona wayengahambi
Athi ubani konje?
Okay, uhamba nathi House of Ribs uyohlala nathi.
angifuna ngihlala ukufuna
Angihlala
angifuna ukuhlala until
You're gonna get used to buffets, don't worry.
wait, no said I'm not used to buffets.
You're gonna chill with the whole day.
Buffets are not for the whole day, it's for that time.
They run for the whole. The run there's breakfast, there's lunch, there's pizza. But you pay which one you pick. But as cause you Ambassador's Day, get it for the whole day.
You heard me. The whole day.
Nah.
Farouk's house, you're gonna get there, you're gonna drink the whole day.
And not get food. Nah. I'm going to House of Wraps.
You don't know where you're going,
It's
Anjani.
in Kempton Park.
What decide? Until decide.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know.
Man,
But I first need to go home.
But there's gonna be food.
I forced you.
But how? Cause are we going?
And alcohol.
But when we pass Farouk's house, when we go to Farouk's house,
What time are we gonna go
we
to
pass
Farouk's
by
house?
my house.
When are we gonna go to Farouk's house?
We don't pass by your house when you go to Farouk's
Farouk's house go here 10 years. Lodium.
We say Oliven Way Street.
Babe, someone stays Uber now. Huh? And then I go home. They finished, but I think there's 2 in the bathroom that you left. And there's also 2.
Boy.
They fine.
Boy.
They're not fine, bro.
No, they are.
So good, man. I don't even know what you're talking about, bro. Trust me, they're not fine. It's pollination.
Yeah, G.
Can't we go back to Farouk's place and all that? But Kanti, you didn't have a plan.
Come take it.
Did Lebo and Farouk break up?
Don't take it out.
Did they break up?
Oh,
Lebo and Farouk.
I lazy man. I also saw it Tito.
What up, Zape? I mean, can you man?
Zake.
Zakes. Zakes.
The trader.
The one in
Why do I feel like they're shooting baddies of... No, we're not shooting baddies of what?
Berries of what? We're not from my tribe even.
What's the shit you keep using on your hand that makes your hands cold, bro?
What's the shit you keep on using?
What happened to your TikTok?
When I say
I deactivated and probably deleted because I can't get it back. But if I do, I'll come back. If I don't come back.
So when are you planning to escape the gates of jewelry?
you're so quiet.
Boy, ish.
You're literally just staring at your people.
Untabi fake in
Ufake ini emkhabeni.
e waistband.
What?
E waistband.
Ekhaleni.
Mama.
That's how.
Emkhabeni.
Emkhabeni. That's what I'm calling.
Nginomkhaba kanti
What's a flat stomach in Zulu?
ummushu.
What's a flex?
Aibo.
Umushu is...
Isn't that a vagina?
Ah.
What is that?
Umushu is a type of food, bro.
Oh.
That's beans.
Yeah.
So what's a vagina?
Impuni.
That's
Bams.
What are you holding, Lux?
Umsun.
I'm assuming this thing.
Umsun. Umsunu.
Is
Vagina.
this thing? No.
Naman.
Yes, it is.
No,
I'm
Msunu. Msunu has a vagina.
I see.
Umsunu ikuku ba. When you want to lau qingani la.
Guys, listen. Where are we going? We're gonna go eat.
I wanna go eat.
At Farouk's house, there's
You must
You
keep
see
in
how
mind.
quick I woke
You
up?
must keep in mind that
Inguza.
you must keep in mind that you're gonna
Yeah, I think
until 8 p.m.
it should be.
yeah.
Okay, Futak, why were you telling us about it?
So where we going?
From House of Ribs to something. Ah! It's time.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, it's Sam.
Let me check how much I have on my PayPal first. Don't you have nuts on your PayPal?
Around 15.
You have nuts.
Knocks.
Nuts.
I requested the money in the my account, and it takes 3 days.
On an FNB? Ow, motherfucker, I never wanna stay. My lashes are hurting me.
Take them
So
out.
what happens?
No, yo, I look like a snake.
But Mike is already saying.
Don't you have extra
Like
lashes?
it's time. Not chai, says it's time.
Really? Really?
Tell him to go.
Then, doesn't want to go into House of Ribs?
Yo,
Yo,
when I think about the
can
food,
I drinking?
bro,
Can you do it?
the chipsy, the ripsy.
If you buy
Also, look at
if you buy us Coke and chips with a Russian, and I saw that
So,
Russian
Maria,
you guys
come on.
hit there, and I took a bite.
Who took my Russian, guys?
Me.
You know,
Why are you hiding food?
because I eat. I put my Russian up there. This morning, this Bruce eating, and when I get to a balcony,
That was not just Russian.
Panda's my Russian.
I'm joking. I didn't eat it.
I also
I'm
ate it. I ate it with panda this morning, bro.
I saw it and I was so hungry.
Yo,
If it was panda.
where did you get that panda?
No, panda hides everything.
With the plates.
Yeah. I put
In
it
the
up there.
cupboard.
Oh, that was your ration. I was actually planning to take
And
it.
you know, last night, we wanted to go chow it. I'm sure just wanted to go chow it.
Huh?
I told last night that I have a Russian, let's go eat it.
Ah!
I was going to go eat that Russian last night.
Nah, I was tired.
Lebo. Hamban.
Company. Easy.
Ubuferuk.
Kizulu.
Feruk.
Like
Kunokudla lapha.
because not before I thought Motu.
Like, what's
Yeah.
up?
Company,
Yeah, phela ama SS says ukuthi siyephi siye.
I need to go take a shit.
Oh, size lapha.
so real.
Indaba sayalapha abantu abafuna sihlale until late. Because my ambassador walapha.
If we go to Lego's place, they have to provide food. Wow.
They going to, brother. They did last time. Yes, they bought chicken.
Panda.
You guys were
Oh
acting
no,
cool
no,
on
no,
the chicken.
no! I ate.
Penda bamkhulu.
So must we go?
That chicken wasn't mine.
That chicken was nice.
I need to go take a shit.
Chilling. Shot.
But I still ate, boy. If you buy us back, fine. But I'll check on my big bucket.
I wanna do it, how you do it?
I love you.
Yeah, just say.
I love you.
I love you too. How? How is it to be single, Tando?
Yo.
Great. Great.
Oh, nah. I wiped it off now. No.
Tana simfone athi ngichethe. Angithumela imali eBuba sothina siyazo flip.
She knows you also flips in the bank.
Come to the battle, guys.
House of Flips you request.
Yeah.
No, we going.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, cool.
So near House of what? Inside man.
Funa ukudla.
Relax.
Angeke uphamise isifuba sahawu ngona ngo-400.
Yeah.
Uthini?
Ngithi angeke uphamise isifuba sahawu 400. Isifuba sethu onyana lesi. Ngeke usenze lutho. Exactly. Shakala.
Ngithabise ngimsunu wakho. Khuluma naye mfana. Tell the truth mntwana. Ngiyabonga. Yeke phela. Angithi ngiyabonga.
Simone. Ngikipelani.
Ngifuna ukubheka.
Ntwana. Unjani?
Anginkinga ntwana singayiqeda no.
Mshaphi bengicela ungithumela 100 rand.
Right now. Right now.
Hawu, njani?
Ntwana manje uzobabheka nje ubabheke.
Ayizini.
Ublokha. Wait, Sembrele.
I wanna do it, how you do. Stop it.
Udafana musingevumi nje.
Ubugeli bangixaka
Nelinye laseloli yami. Mara ngifuna ukuthola
Ayikho
Captain
manje.
Park. Yeah, I'm coming.
Me, I'm leaving if you want to.
I'm blessed. I wanna do it, how you do.
Who was who?
Who was that?
Who?
I don't know. Who did you see?
I ain't see shit. In fact, I'm blind.
Bathatha i-truth ngoba ngithetha amaphula ayi-2 kuphela.
Oh. So it's like, anyways, as I was saying, Dini, Centurion
460
460,
Himalaya Lodium.
Hima what? Guys, bye bye.